Let's have a look at the basic anatomy of servlet. Here we have a servlet named Product Servlet Manager. This is the Java class that handles requests from web. The class is extended to HTTP servlet. This class is annotated with a web servlet annotation. In this annotation, a name /update product servlet is provided. This is the name that will be invoked by the link or the form. There are two methods inherited by Product Servlet Manager from extending to HTTP servlet. The first is doGet, which will handle requests from GET method. The second is doPost, which will handle requests from POST method. Both methods are protected, did not return any value, and receive two parameters that represent request and response. Either one of these methods need to be overridden. What do we write for doGet or doPost? We can provide call to the business logics, invoke methods in other classes, similar to how we normally program in Java. Retrieve parameter from form or URL query string, forwarding or redirecting to another servlet or page, and finally manage exception